Good evening, everyone. In last session, we discussed the topic of ancient Olympic Games. Now, today, we will discuss the topic of modern Olympic Games. The credit to start the modern Olympic Games goes to Pierre Berendi Coubertin of France. Coubertin was born in Paris on 1st January 1862. His family members wanted him to join the army, so he joined the Sainik Academy. But after some time, he left it and started studying political science. Having studied political science, he came to know about the national and international problems. He thought national and international problems could easily be solved through Olympic Games. It was Coubertin's dream to restart the ancient Olympic Games at world level. For this purpose, he called meeting of various countries in 1893. Some countries, Italy, Greece, Spain, and Sweden, were in favor of commencing these games, whereas rest of the countries opposed it. Again, on 16 June 1894, a meeting of 13 countries was held in Paris, in which its representatives participated. It was presided over by Coubertin, and it was resolved that sports competition should be held every fourth year on the lines of Greek Olympic Games, and every nation should be invited to participate. After much endeavor, Coubertin succeeded in enlisting worldwide support, and the first modern Olympic Games were held in Athens in 1896. In first modern Olympic Games, only 9 countries participated. The number gradually increased, and in the 1972 West Germany Olympic Games, that time 122 countries participated. Three Olympic could not be held during the two World War. Now we will discuss on Olympic motto. Olympic motto comprises three Latin words: Citius, Altius, Fortius. It means faster, higher, stronger. It was proposed by Pierre de Coubertin upon the creation of the International Olympic Committee in 1894. Coubertin said these three words represent a program of moral beauty. Then we will discuss about Olympic flag. Olympic flag was created in 1913 at the suggestion of Baron de Coubertin. It was first inaugurated in Paris in June 1914, but it was hosted for the first time in the Olympic Stadium at the Antwerp Olympic Games, which were held in 1920. Olympic flag is made of white silk cloth and contains 5 interlocking rings or circles in 5 colors representing 5 continents of the world. First is America, second is Europe, third is Australia, fourth is Asia, and fifth is Africa. The 5 rings have different colors: yellow, green, red, blue, and black. The interlocking of rings symbolizes cooperation and friendship. Which color of the rings will represent for the which countries? This is not mentioned in your textbook, so you can write in your notebook. The first ring, blue color, will represent for Europe. Yellow color will represent for Asia. Black color will represent for Africa. Green color will represent for Australia. And the red color will represent for the America.